Drawing is no simple task. Right, here and here.
What's this? Sam, what's all this mess? Do you really need all this? Pencils, pastels, paints?
Hey, what are you doing?
Trying to figure out what you're doing.
As if you can't tell, I'm creating masterpieces.
Oh, I see.
So put that down. It's a sketch of my future masterpiece canvas.
You didn't say please.
Oh, please, Sue, don't get in the way of my masterpiece. Please leave. Come on.
Well, all right. Oh, no!
It's ruined. No! It's horrible. A catastrophe. Sue, how could you?
Oh, I'm so sorry, Sammy. It was an accident, but you can paint a new one, right?
After all this? No, my inspiration is stolen. Now all I can see is eternal creative crisis and oblivion.
Hi, guys. Oh, what to do now? Sammy is so upset. I need to think of a way to get Sam's inspiration back and quick. What inspires you? Comment below. Perhaps something will be good for Sam. Oh, I have an idea.
My career as an artist finished before it even begun. Nobody will need me now. Guys, maybe you still need me. Could you subscribe, please, and hit the bell button? It might comfort
Sammy,
me.
I know what else can comfort you.
Oh, you again. Came to ruin something else?
No. I know one way that can still inspire you and bring your artistic skill to the next level.
There is no way to do it. You spilled black paint all over my artistic talent.
There is, Sammy. Please give me a chance.
Well, all right. I'll give you one more chance.
Thank you. First, let's complete the process of covering your drawing with black paint.
Oh, no, why are you stop?
Sammy, it's okay. Calm down. Everything will be all right.
Oh, well, fine.
We need to cover the whole paper evenly.
Oh, no, I can't watch. Sue, are you sure you're all right? And you're not trying to create Malkovich's rectangle, no?
Square, Sammy.
Oh, what?
Malevich square.
But it's a rectangle. Really, Sue, you don't seem right in the head today.
No, Sam. It's the name of the painting, Malevich's black square. But I'm making something different.
Oh, now I'm starting to get it. Yeah, no, I don't get it.
You'll see soon enough. It's pretty magical. All right, the paper is completely covered with paint, so now we need to dry it.
I'm coming! Oh, dry faster! Come on!
Sam, maybe we just need to leave the paper alone.
Oh, fine.
Done, Sammy. The paint is dry.
Coming! Oh, the paint is dry, but the drawing still looks hopelessly ruined.
Now for the most important step. Here, look.
A scratchy thingy?
Yes, and it will help me do this.
Oh, what is this miracle?
Keep watching.
But how?
You've been drawing with oil pastels, right?
Yes.
And then we covered it with acrylic paint.
Yes.
And when the paint dried, it was easy to scratch away the top layer and draw something.
Holy cannoli! I need to start creating in this new style right away. I need to think of exhibitions, workshops, so much to do. Enough!
Good luck! Hey guys, did you like this new way of drawing? Give a thumbs up if you did, subscribe, and try to create your own masterpiece at home. Bye-bye!
I'll improve something of yours, too. Here they are.